Hello everyone, it's April Broughton. I am here with my finished journal for the Dear Julie December Dozen and Done Junk Journal Challenge. I completed a Christmas journal, and here's the front. You can see all these lovely goodies on top here. And, be careful with my hand. That's a side with some goodies to hang out. I'm sorry about this video. I don't have this set up right now, and I just want Julie to be able to see my elements. So here on the first page, this was actually one of the book page elements that I have a cluster, and stuck it full of pretty tags and a little booklet, and then a nice pretty tag with birds. Put that back later. And so that's element 1. Here's element number 2, envelope. This is the flap of the envelope. We'll see the other side as we go on through. And there is material. That's one of them. I actually added a lot of the material elements in here. Stuffed with tags. And it's a staggered page, stuffed with journaling cards and tags, upside down card full of tickets. It's one of my favorites. It's different, you know. And then on the other side, stuffed full of tags and journal cards. And this is one of the digitals. So that's another element. Some pretty journaling cards stuffed in this little upside down envelope. And some pretty tags. There's one of the material elements. I had them in strips, and I cut them up and added them to several places on the page. I love this. It's a little book page wheel that Tara had made and sent me, and I added a little ticket cluster to hold it. Another one of the material clusters that I made. That's napkin. And here's another one of the tag side border tucks, and cool little booklet. And it's really a fun little thing, but this hand shakes over here, so I'm going to make a better flip through. I just wanted to do a quick one so Julie could see my elements, and that I have more than 60 pages. Actually, I think there's 74. another piece of material. You'll see them all through. Beautiful tag. There's the center. I bound this with one of those elastic pieces because of my hand. I just can't bind a book right now. And there's some more material. All of the cutting, any of the cutting my sister did for me, or I would have never been able to do this. She cut everything up, and she even helped me squeeze glue. So I really appreciated that. This is one of the card. That's another element. It is a ace playing card paperclip. And here are two more of the card elements. So we've almost completed all our elements here. And there's another piece of that, another of the material elements. I absolutely loved that. Has that pretty button in there. So sorry about my lack of having any nails, but I couldn't have anything when I went into surgery, and that's one of the book page elements. And this right here, this page is a book page element, and this right here, one of my very favorite things, is a book page element, and it's full of gorgeous little journal cards. And that's so cute. I promise to make a better video, but it's 3 a.m. here, or maybe even 4 a.m. I don't know. I gotta get this completed. Some more pretty little tuck spots. And here's one. Here's a Dear Julie Digital. And got this pretty washi and that cluster. I absolutely love that. And a belly band. And, oh, this is one of my most favorite cards. Look at that. I've got that stuffed. There's another one of digital elements. Got it stuffed with pretty goodies. There's another material element holding a Dear Julie Digital. This is stuffed full of pretty cards, and this digital kit is from Julie's Christmas kit last year. And I actually didn't get to buy it last year, but so I bought it this year. Here's one of my book page elements that I had made. You can see the book page here, and I put some children on a pocket and stuffed it full of goodies, and it's hanging out here on this little flip page. some more material and some jingly. These pages are just beautiful. And this is a music page folded up, stuffed full of beautiful digital pieces. And this is one of the material elements, a nice little material cluster patch. And it is hanging off of the envelope. We saw the front piece. I had this tucked inside of there, and I wanted to clip it out here so that it would be easier for me to show you because of this one-handed business. But I love this. I've got two little cards here to help hold in that paper that you can pull out and journal on. And this page is actually completely covered in napkin. And I just love that. Here is the back, and where we'll find our last element. Here's a couple of beautiful digital cards, and here is my very last element. It is for recycle. This is actually it's something that Julie sent me, and it's packaging, and I think it was actually holding cutlery, and I put some cellophane over the front of it so that I could show off the pretty tags that I made. I made these tags with stickers and scrap pieces, and those from digitals. But I'll pull this out. You can see this is the actual recycle element without the tags. So I thought it turned out really cute. And that is the back of my beauty. I really hope that you all enjoyed my elements. There's the pretty Christmas tree. Give you a nice shot of it. And I do believe there is a precious little baby sleeping in a basket. This is my sister's kitty. Believe me, he looks tiny, but when he gets up, he weighs 36 pounds. He's half Maine Coon. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.